What's up, y'all? SCS.
Back with a video. Another video.
Say it again.
Another video.
Back with
another video.
another. I was recording so many different videos that I forgot to do an intro for the Cadillac fan diagnostic. So I'm making an intro right while I'm editing it. So, getting that for y'all. Then I'm about to put this video out. Let me know if I'm doing alright. I feel like I'm pushing a lot out. Man, I got so many videos. This is crazy. It's crazy. And then every day I'm making multiple videos a day. It's because that time, got that time. But enough of that talking about that.
Alright, this is what I'm saying about the AC. I'm talking kind of loud. The clutch wouldn't spin, this middle piece, it wouldn't spin if the AC wasn't charged. So I'm pretty sure it's charged and it works, but the blower motor is not blowing inside. So I'm gonna try to troubleshoot that. I tried to go get another blower motor, but they didn't have any at the store. So this wiring is real similar to a box Chevy. So I'm gonna go with what I know and test and see if I can get the blower motor to blow. If it don't blow, it's the blower motor. If it do blow, it's the switch or the wiring, one or two. But I'm gonna jump into that and then see what I can find out here in a second. Alright, so I just tested it. This is a positive wire here, and I believe this is negative, but I know this is positive, so I can just ground it anywhere on the car. And when I grounded that wire, I got 14 volts. So since I got 14 volts, and I know it's not blowing, I'm jumping right on that thing. So I'm gonna take it out and then test it over here with a battery, and then we'll know if it's bad or not. Alright, I got the blow up motor right here. See, you got webs on it. That thing ain't been blowing nothing. But it's pretty easy to do. So this whole case is grounded to the actual motor inside of here. So just ground this ground to the case. Alright, so this whole thing could spin out of control if you just hold it on there. So what I'm gonna try to do is just tap the positive on there, and it should click and spin. If it click but don't spin, the blower motor bad, but it should click. Yeah, nothing. No clicking or no spinning. Make sure this is good. Alright, so yeah, definitely the blower motor is out of there. Let's see one more time. Yeah. So I'm gonna get one of those real quick. Replace that. See who got it, because I don't want to be running around. But yeah, that's a quick fix. 4 bolts, 1 ground, and then 1 plug. So I replace that real quick. I'm gonna go and get the blower motor resistor, and the blower motor, and then we'll be done with this for the day. So I'm gonna go ahead and go to the store. I'm gonna look up the stores and see who got what I need first, and then I'm gonna go get it. Then I'm gonna put it on, then come back with the camera. But for now, what I'm about to do for real is get all this stuff that I don't need out of the garage, put it in storage, and go get some parts for the Tahoe, because I'm about to work on the Tahoe. Back from the store with the blower motor. I really wanted to get that yesterday, but didn't make it in time. But that's totally okay, because I didn't really plan on doing it. I'm looking for my jumper cables. I don't know where they at, so I can test prior. There you go. Same thing I did. I'm gonna do that same thing, man. Should have some action this time. My tow truck, my trailer battery, winch battery, that's what that is. I'll be testing on over here. Sit right there just for the winch. All right, let me sit the camera down.
I got some decent clothes on right now. My dirty clothes all in the laundry room. Alright, so gonna ground the case and touch this positive spot. Same thing as last time. So grounding the case, positive on this, and it should spin. Y'all heard it. So that was the problem the whole time. Blower motor went out. So I just showed y'all how to diagnose between the motor, blower motor, and the resistor. Easy. I'm giving away this free game by mistake, but can't take it away. Y'all got it. So I'm going ahead and put this in. It's only 5 volts, 4 to hold it in, and 1 ground, and then see what the AC do now. Alright, let's see what it do now. Should blow. Well, I ain't no should. I know it's gonna blow, but I'm about to close the hood. Old school. Ooh, it's hot in here. Let's see what we got. Yep. Blowing that air. That thing on AC. Blowing, but only at the bottom. I know what to do, but I can't really explain it. It's something with the vents, and it might be the controller, or it might be the vacuum hoses. So I'm gonna diagnose that later, but I just wanted to get it blowing. So it is blowing. All right, and now I'm about to jump on the Tahoe. So that's it for this car for the day. Okay. Now that I got y'all attention, let me give you a little explanation of what's happening. So for the AC, or the air period, for it to blow in whatever channel you push, the vacuums for it has to be connected to the vacuum system under the hood, and the switch, the panel, like what I'm pressing to change the temperature and select where I want to blow, that has to be fully functional as well. So if either of the two are messed up, the vacuum hose has a crack, the linkage is not connected in the back, all of that could affect the AC coming on, the blower blowing where you want it to blow, or the actuator changing to blow where you want it to blow. So all that is a part of that system. It's hard to explain, and it's kind of tedious to diagnose, but it is easy to do. It's just, I'm not putting that amount of time and money into that car. And actually the car is already gone, but I didn't really want to ramble y'all along with it, but I was just showing y'all how to do the AC, not the AC. I was just showing y'all how to do the blower motor, and to figure out, like, if you got old school and it's not blowing, what to do. But that could be the case for you, and it could not be the case for you. Usually it's a wiring issue. Everybody try to clean up under the engine bay and chop everything, not knowing what they need or don't need. So that could be your issue too. You probably have to rerun some of that stuff, get a manual, and find out what's what. But yeah, that's it for this video. SCS, man, signing out.